Hello everyone, today's video is sponsored by Ubeesize, or as I would like to call it, Ubeesize. Let's open the box and see what it is. Okay. I guess you just need to open it one end. Oh my gosh, it's a tripod or a selfie stick. This is nice. So it comes with the phone clips and a remote. I guess you can sync the remote with your phone so you can take the selfie. Here's the manual. This is cool. I always wanted a tripod, so this looks pretty neat. Wow. Okay. It's pretty sturdy. I like it. It is made of alloy steel. It can extend from 18 inches to 67 inches. This is pretty cool. Yeah. Look at that. Wow. It's amazing. Very easy to use. Oh, look at that. They have a lock down here. So you got a leverage bar there. So cool. So there you go. It's a fun clip. Very easy to install. Okay, let's put it in and screw it on. There's a dial on here, makes it so easy to use. Look at that. Wow, how cool is that? I love the handlebar. It's like very convenient. Just turn the dial, and there, it's easy. The rubber is very neat. Holds your phone really well. Yeah, holds your phone really well. So, and you can adjust it to whichever side you like. There you go. This is so cool, so easy to use. Huh. Look at that. Wow. Well, you definitely don't need anyone to help you take picture with this. Especially with the remotes that come with it. Oh my gosh, how convenient is this, huh? Well, I love it. Loosen it to close and open it up, lock it so it stays in place. Very sturdy. And I have a small camera here that you can also use. Wow, awesome. Tighten it. So you can tighten this to set it in place. Well, what can I say? It's awesome. I love it. Oh my gosh. Very affordable. It costs less than $20. Comes with a remote and a phone clips. It's really nice. It's a really nice phone clips and a really nice tripod. You can extend it from 18 inches to 67 inches. It's really nice, easy clip, so you can, easily adjust the length you want it. Thank you for watching. This video is sponsored by Ubeesize, or I would like to call it Ubeesize. I'm gonna enjoy this.